UI-only field is a commonly used tool in a Squid Builder's toolbox. UI-only fields are fields that you add to the model to manipulate the UI or to hold temporary information that is not sent to the database. UI-only fields and UI-only models are some of the key reasons why you can build such complex apps in Squid, while delivering a consumer-grade interface and user experience. Here we have a table showing the line items of a quote, with the fields that come with the quote line item objects, like list price and quantity. Those are the fields that are stored in the database. However, your users would like to also see the subtotal on each line, and also be able to enter a discount percentage that will populate the sales price. You can easily achieve this by creating UI-only fields that calculate those amounts in runtime. You would be correct to assume that these fields will not be stored in the database when the model is saved. They will simply be recreated and recalculated the next time you load the page. You can also use UI-only fields in a UI model or in another model to store global data independent of a specific model. For example, in your quote and pricing app, you are asked to show a running total as users add and remove items to the quote. To achieve this, you can create a UI field called UI total in a model to store this information. So every time the user adds or edits a line item, you would trigger a short JavaScript snippet to calculate the running total and save that amount to the UI field. And lastly, you can use UI fields within a UI model as a toggle to trigger components to show or hide on the page. You can find examples of this use case in another Tip of the Week video on UI models. We'll link to it below. I hope this video gives you an idea of how to use UI-only fields to build better apps with Squid. Thank you for watching and see you next time.